So basically today is 20th of November 2022 and we're marking the 2 years remembrance of the lives lost at the Lekki tollgate shooting on the 20th of October 2020. Well, I'll say a lot has changed because if you are looking at the difference between the cases of police brutality pre and post EndSARS, there's a lot of difference. I would say even though we're not there yet, we still have cases of police brutality going on up to now, but the difference is clear that it has reduced and we'll keep fighting till it is no more. I feel like we've been asking from the government the same thing for years now. We just want to live our lives as free as we can as Nigerian youth in Nigeria. Me having dreads shouldn't make you think I'm a criminal or you should not profile me because of the way I look. So that's what we're fighting for. So we want the government to actually put laws into place that will protect its citizens first. Because that's what, as far as I'm concerned, that's what's been lacking in this country. And what I want the citizens to do always is to comply and become like good citizens, always follow laws and do what we're supposed to do. Be where you're supposed to be at the right time. And whenever you come in contact with these policemen or military men, make sure that you address them in a way and manner that doesn't provoke them to act in a certain way, because your life is one, and once it happens, you can't get it back. So our relationship with the policemen also needs to be very, very. We should also check it and make sure that when we're relating to them, we don't aggravate or we don't anger them to make them do stuff to us that we later on regret.
To make a change is not an easy task. Actually, we must mount pressure on the government, and the change must take place. Whether it takes 10 years or 15 years, we must make sure that changes. We must bring change to Nigeria, because every citizen of this country is suffering, and there is massive brutality in everywhere in this country. The military, the police, everywhere. The only thing that we want our government, let them make a conducive environment for everybody. See insecurity up and down. See brutality, everything. The military is supposed to be in the bush, not in the city.